We're reviewing the BRH GPH Smartwatch Artificial Intelligence GPS heart rate, oxygen sensor, health, and more. It's just not a smartwatch. It is a watch to make phone calls and more with audio. Download the application and let's get started. You get the smartwatch, the charging cable, excluding a brick power source smartphone, the case and instructions, and the QR symbol. Charge your smartwatch by plugging in for the first time. On the back of the watch, the magnetic area plugs in, and the watch will talk. It is at 66% charging. 5 volts, 3 amps. The hand-fit application. Opening up the hand-fit application, allow Bluetooth to find and choose information given. A profile can be filled out. Add bracelet to get more health information by hitting add. The P75 is paired and ready to go. The time format, the unit in metric or imperial, the temperature in Celsius or Fahrenheit, notifications, weather, quick view, drink water reminder, and remind to move. These are just some of the features and functions of the smartphone. Hitting on the side of the smartwatch wakes it up. Swiping down gets into the settings, and we're looking for a particular setting for screen on. We have activity, sleep, heart rate, blood oxygen, stress, health monitoring. We have the next window of a calendar, and then the actual watch itself with 67% power to remove the watch, change the watch devices, and change different faces of the watch. Pick a watch face, and the watch face changes. We have AI dialing, AI questions, AI translator, notification, weather, motion push, favorite contacts, alarms, smart reminders, world watch, a shutter for a camera to snap your picture. Artificial GPS by hitting start for biking, walking, and more. Synchronize your altitude and others of the camera. To reset the watch, hit reset. The profile and support. The watch fits on a nice size wrist by securing down. We have the watch that we could press to wake up and swipe over to the side for a keypad, call records, contacts, activity, heart rate. Our heart rate gives a vibration of 77 beats per minute. We have SpO2 that's measuring. We have audio and vibration. Keep the watch facing upward, 99%. We have a stress level 3245 with the vibration. We have an air pressure, and we have a calibration for the watch. We have a sleep mode. We have sports, a triathlon, a trail running, a marathon, running, walking, hiking, swimming, cycling, running, skiing, rock climbing, frisbee, exercise, badminton, and more. Swiping out of sports, we have the weather, and we have add an alarm, and what is the weather like today? And on the phone, the weather is mentioned. With the voice assistant, simply tap, what is the weather today? Siri is open up, and the weather is offered. We swipe over, we have edit card. We get keypad activity, delete off certain things. And that is the watch. Making a phone call, simply hitting the keypad and dialing numbers and calling. When using the phone, you can hit call records. Record your phone call conversation now. and we record our phone call conversation. We have here is 16 minutes at 1.31 miles of cycling. Setup is as easy as turning on. You could, as you see the cycling, you have a warm-up, the heart rate going, and additional information. If you swipe on over, you have GPS. You can listen to music, the altitude, and a compass. If you swipe over to the opposite way, we can add, pause and stop, and end, and lock the cycling. These are just some of the features of your smartwatch. Your smartwatch can set up any type of sport by simply clicking, start, uses the GPS to acknowledge, and off you go. So if you're looking for a smartwatch that does it all in a very simple application, using your smartphone, listening to music, making phone calls, vibrates and audio, this smartwatch may be something that you were looking for in your needs. Check again online for the colors, makes, and models the company has to offer. Enjoy your smartwatch if this is right for you.